Morning, everybody. Just wanted to give everybody an update. If you haven't seen already, we got our two new bucks. We got our breeder buck and our wether, and we're very excited. So if you haven't seen them, I'd like to show them to you. We're climbing around the burn pile now, but on the right is Rain. He is our new buck. We're excited to have him. He's got a lot of color to him, blue eyes, nice body structure, and he's a big boy. Aren't you, Rain? Yeah, I'm chatting about you. And then in front of him, he doesn't really have a name yet. I'm liking Dusty. Somebody suggested Dusty, and I'm liking that one. But that's gonna be our wether. So they're the same age, and that little weathered boy, he's in the process of being neutered, and he is gonna be Rain's companion. And they've been having a lot of fun, as you can see. Headbutting and bonking each other, right? They're figuring out the electric fence pretty well. They're getting to know their pen mates. So we got Lila. Lila's waiting to get bred by Jasper. Jasper's over here. Jasper's on the hunt for a new home now. Sorry, buddy. You did good for us. But we're hoping Rain's gonna do better. It's a nice cool morning this morning. Got out here a little later than usual, but that's all right. Why don't we go for a full farm tour? I'll take you over to see the girls. Our ducks are out foraging. Only two left after the fox. Yeah, you ladies are survivors. Here's our girls. Everybody got a fresh haircut. They're all looking pretty. Got Willow on the left and Rosebud on the right. Mother and daughter. We got little Dolly girl. Say good morning, Dolly. Come on, you like to talk. Yeah. Still working on her. She's still a little skittish, but she's getting better. There you go, good morning. And up on the hill, we got Piggy Mama. Mama's dad, we're pretty sure, was a pig, because she's fat, grunts, and nothing makes her happier than food. We'll cut through their pen. Morning. We'll go see our chicken coop. Gotta let the chickens out. Have not let the chickens out yet this morning. This is our clubhouse that we converted into a chicken coop. Works pretty well. I keep their feed out here in a bucket. Morning, ladies and gentlemen. All right, for this one. Oh, that was very graceful. You took a chicken with you. Open up the windows for him to roost in. Here's our little colt, our little turkey hen. We'll be breeding with Jasper in the spring. And then if you step out here, we got a little run. And a wind chime. All right. Well, that's all we have going on here at the moment. This morning, Keela and I are going to look at a new animal that we'll be bringing to our homestead. once it's old enough. So we will post some video of that later. Everybody have a good day.